If you love speed, power, and control, you're gonna love what's coming up today. I found 5 of the most exciting and high-performing RC toys that will bring out the inner child in anyone. From powerful tanks and amphibious monsters to drones and transforming robots, these gadgets redefine what remote control fun is all about. So buckle up, because these RC toys are going to blow your mind. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5, Full-Scale Vehicle. The full-scale tracked off-road vehicle C8812 is not just another RC car. It's a realistic tank-style crawler built for rugged adventures. With its desert yellow or German gray design, it looks like something straight from a battlefield. Powered by a combination of 130 and 290 motors, this beast can conquer rough terrains at speeds up to 8 kilometers per hour. Its 2.4G remote control system ensures smooth handling and zero interference, even at a distance of 50 meters. It features LED headlights, adding realism to night driving, and runs on a 7.4V, 500 mAh battery that gives you around 15 minutes of intense fun. Built tough, durable, and packed with power, this tank crawler is the perfect gift for RC enthusiasts who love military-style vehicles. Number 4, Q137 Amphibious Car. Imagine a remote control car that doesn't stop when it hits water. The Q137 8WD amphibious truck makes that possible. This 8-wheel armored vehicle is fully waterproof, allowing it to move seamlessly from land to water without breaking a sweat. Its independent suspension and rugged tires make off-road climbing, mud racing, and water stunts effortless. Powered by a 7.4-volt 900 mAh battery, it runs for about 25 to 30 minutes, giving you plenty of action time. The 2.4G remote system offers stable control up to 25 meters, and you can choose between sleek black or yellow color options. Whether you're driving through puddles, grass, sand, or rocks, this RC truck will not disappoint. Number 3. GT3 Drone. The GT3 8K drone is designed for aerial adventure and creativity. Featuring an electric adjustable 180 degrees camera, optical flow stabilization, and obstacle avoidance technology, it offers smooth and intelligent flight performance. It's equipped with a lithium battery and provides a flight time of up to 20 minutes, with a control distance of 100 meters. Perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. It supports app control and comes fully ready to fly out of the box. With 8K quality visuals and anti-wind stability, this drone gives you crystal clear shots and effortless control. Whether you're flying indoors or outdoors, it's compact, lightweight, and easy to handle, making it a top choice for fun aerial photography and exploration. Number 2, Deformation Robot. If you love building and transforming toys, the 520 pieces 3-in-1 RC robot excavator is going to amaze you. This isn't just a simple toy. It's an educational building kit that lets you create 3 different machines: a robot, a racing car, and an excavator. Made from high-quality, non-toxic ABS plastic, the blocks are durable, flexible, and perfectly safe for kids. The design encourages creativity, problem-solving, and motor skill development while keeping it super fun. Once built, it transforms into a remote-controlled machine, adding a whole new level of excitement. It includes a detailed instruction manual, making it easy for kids to assemble. Whether you're a builder or an RC fan, this 3-in-1 set combines the best of both worlds. Number 1. Wltoys Helicopter. Meet the Wltoys K170 helicopter, inspired by the iconic Black Hawk UH-60L, a powerful and precise RC helicopter designed for true flight enthusiasts. It's built from engineering composite materials, making it lightweight yet incredibly durable. The brushless 1106 1200 kV main motor delivers high torque and smooth flight control, while the coreless tail motor ensures stability even in windy conditions. With a 2.4G remote system offering a control range of up to 100 meters and a flight time of about 8 minutes, this helicopter brings realistic flight performance in a compact design. Whether you're performing sharp turns or hovering midair, the 6-axis gyro system ensures perfect balance. If you've always wanted a military-style RC aircraft that flies like a pro, this one deserves the top spot. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.